Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a cleaning agent that just about every house has, and that is bleach. Now, there are a lot of different uses for bleach, and there are a lot of uses for bleach that are a little iffy. But bleach does have its place, and you can use it to disinfect things, disinfect surfaces, clean whites, and other things. But one thing I want to talk to you about this is a safety issue. Bleach is a base. You got acids and bases. You know, bases are bleach, drain cleaner, anything that's alkali. One of the things you got to be careful of is that it can affects your skin really quick and really bad. So wear the proper type of gloves and stuff when using it. Also, don't mix it with other cleaning agents in your home, especially not ammonia. It's a good way to kill yourself. There were a lot of housewives in the 40s and 50s that were dying because they were using bleach and ammonia to get those stubborn stains out of the toilet and stuff like that, and they were gassing themselves with chlorine gas. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish like mixing your chemicals. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill and grow some good healthy food.